Hi there. This is Professor Monty, and let's talk about multiplying fractions together. So notice what I've done here is I've given you the property. This is how you multiply fractions. If I have the fraction a over b times c over d, it's a times c times b over d. But for goodness sake, don't try to memorize letters and things like that. Just memorize to multiply fractions, you multiply straight across. So a times c, bottom is b times d. Simple as that. Now, what we can do is we can multiply across and then reduce the fractions. The easier way to do is reduce the fractions first. You may want to watch the other video I made on reducing fractions first, but here's the idea. If there's any common factors on the top, the numerator, and a common with a factor on the bottom, the denominator, it doesn't matter where in the denominator it is, you can reduce those. For instance, I look at this and I say, hey, let's see, 11 doesn't go into either of these, 11 is prime, but 2 goes into 8 and 2 goes into 10. Since one's top and one's bottom, I can reduce them. 2 goes in here 4 times, goes in there 5 times. Now I have common 5s on the bottom, but I can't cancel those, they're both on the bottom. You have to have 1 on the top and bottom to cancel because then it would reduce to 1 and it essentially disappears. Now I multiply straight across. Oh, this is just 11 times 4 over 5 times 5. You can do that in your head. You don't have to write that down. But 44 over 25. That's your answer. This is fully reduced. All right, let's try another one. So I've got 11 fifteenths and 5 halves, 5 over 2. Well, I notice with the 12 and the 15, 3 goes into both of those. So remember, I can reduce straight up and down. That's how I reduce just a single fraction. So 3 goes in here 4 times, 3 goes in here 5 times. And now I say, oh wait, this 5 can cancel with that 5. 5 goes in there once, goes in there once. Oh, 2 goes into 4, 2 goes in there once, goes in there twice. All I have left on the top, 2 times 1 is 2. All I have on the bottom, 1 times 1 is 1. And remember, that's not fully simplified. That means 2 divided by 1, which is just 2. So you do have to go that extra step and just say that's equal to 2. Okay? So it's simple as that. I like to reduce and then multiply across. It saves you a lot of time. It'll make it a lot easier.